Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Danella Mill. I am here to show you guys how to add the screen recording option to your new iPhone 11. Like you guys, I just recently got this phone and I noticed the screen recording option was not in the settings like it normally would be in any of the other phones. So this is a tutorial for that. So first things first, what you'll need to do, right now what we have here is the screen where you will see the settings. So unlike the other iPhones, before you would scroll up, and as you can see, I'm trying to scroll up now and nothing's happening other than a setting option. So in order to get to see if you even have the screen recording option on your phone, you will have to scroll down from the upper right corner. I have it here because I recently added, but you more than likely won't see it because, like me, you've just got your new phone. So the steps to take, what you'll need to do, you'll need to go to your settings. You'll go down, you'll go to your control center. Once you get to your control center, you see access within apps. That's on, keep that on, but you'll go straight to customize and controls, customize controls. You'll go straight down. Now I've already added it, but what you'll do is you'll go down and you'll look for screen recording. I believe it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I may be wrong, but I think it was like the 8th or 9th one down. And what you'll do is you'll just hit the plus option right there, the green plus option. Once you hit the plus option, the green plus option, it will add it up here where you see right under the camera, you will see screen recording in red. So once you see that, then you can go back, come out of your settings, and then you can go back to the upper right corner and come back to this area. This is where you will see your screen recording option. It should be right here where you see the red dot coming on and off. Now, in order to cut on your microphone, you will have to press and hold this screen recording option. And as you can see here, another page will pop up. Right now it's saying for me to stop record because I'm actually recording. But how you will cut on your microphone, you'll just hit this red button that says microphone on. And I'll click it. And it will cut it on for you. And that's about it. And that's all. So if this has helped you with getting around your new iPhone 11, I'm glad to help. Please stay tuned because I will be offering beauty tips as well as business tips and lifestyle tips and videos on my channel. So if you would like to hear more from me, please subscribe and like this video. Have a great day. Until next time.